Hi, I'm Kate Potter. All of my career of teaching yoga and movement has been a really good thing for me. It's been a great honor to teach people how they can be free to move. For me, it's been a lovely arc of teaching. I feel really happy to inspire people to have a daily practice. I started so young in a practice that now, 50 years later, it's really normal for me. I know it's hard for people who don't have that practice, and that's why I think it's so great that we're making it easier for you. We're trying to get you from any and every angle. However you are, wherever you are, I want you to start. Just meet yourself where you are. If you come with me, I'll try to make you feel strong, graceful, and dynamic, and inspired to feel really alive.